This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Green Acres. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on the fireplace down in here. Now, when you have to set the pilot, it is really difficult to see. We got a little blue flame that's kind of hidden in here, and it's not easy to see when you're actually doing it on your own. So I think it's a two-person job. So right here, I've moved it from off, and it's lined up with that little arrow, to pilot, and you hold it down and you push the igniter. Now you got to keep depressing this thing for a while until the coupler expands where the pilot is, and it'll actually remain lit. Once that's done, go ahead and put it in the on position, and this should kick on here in a second, and the fire should light up and all good. There we go. Okay. And so there you have it. So if you have any further questions or need assistance with the fireplace while you're staying at the Green Acres, you can reach out to us. The number is 208-634-0030. And we also have a fan. You can turn that on. Make sure that it's plugged in. Once this warms up to a certain temperature, you can check and adjust the speed right there. But if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us, 208-634-0030.